Hi, welcome back to Axel Learning. If you're new here, welcome. We provide free access to math techniques, shortcuts, and many more. In today's video, we'll be learning a faster way to multiply any number with 11. In this example, 36,249 times 11. Step 1. Insert zeros at the ends of the number. 0 before 3 and 0 after 9. Step 2. Add the digits in pairs starting from the right. 9 plus 0 equals 9. 4 plus 9 equals 13. 2 plus 4 equals 6. So we carry over 1 from 13, and 1 plus 6 equals 7. Then continue to add 6 plus 2 equals 8. 3 plus 6 equals 9. 0 plus 3 equals 3. And you got the final answer. 36,249 times 11 equals 398,739. See how fast we got the answer? If you like this video, push the like button and subscribe for more math techniques.